What's up, guys? Right now we're in third gear. We're not in sport mode. We're just in whatever non-sport mode, I guess you could say it. I recently got the car approximately 2 weeks ago. Oh no, actually, I'm sorry, like a month ago now. The only things I've added to it are a downpipe, cold air intake, and a mid-pipe, and a boot mod tune. I have stage 2 right now. I played with the purple settings a little bit. I have it like on the basic mode. So far the car is so much better coming from an E90 platform for the M3. It's really I don't know, I just how to explain it, but it's much better. Hopefully it doesn't cause a lot of problems like my E90 did. I wasted so much money into that car compared to this one. This one is I mean, really nice. I like it. So yeah, I mean, it's a 6-manual transmission. I had it the same way on my old M3. I like driving 6-speed. Yeah, drop in the comments below what transmission you guys prefer, DCT or 6-speed. I honestly don't hate DCT. I'm just more of a 6-speed guy. That's just my preference, you know. All of us have our own preferences. So yeah, right now we're cruising. We're gonna put it in sport mode shortly so we can see show you guys a little bit more. Second gear pulls, baby. Right here. Watch this. What's going on? Right now we're running some VRSF cold air intakes. Right now we have downpipes by VRSF and a mid-pipe by one of my friends. Let me borrow it. Really nice setup we have right here. It has no spacers on right now currently, but it has a carbon fiber trunk lip, and it has a carbon fiber rear diffuser, which is very small. It's not that big. The car has, like I said, the VRSF downpipes. Don't mind the back mess, but right here we have the starlights. As you can see, this is the box, the module.